Change electrical and nozzle. For example, this type torch. 如何更换喷嘴链接？好，这就拆下来了是吧？好，那我们再上回去，把你安装的时候，这是它铜套。Okay, this is one type torch. 这是其中一种枪的那个更换。我们下面来看另外一种枪的更换。This is other type. 这是另外一种枪的。首先拧掉它外面的这个磁套。用中间那个孔把那个喷嘴拧下来，再用边上那个小孔这个拧下来。好，我们再安装回去。刚才是卸，现在我们是安装。Okay, now we check how to change a Hepsarm torch. Change nozzle and electrical. Okay, and we install. Okay, this is Hepsarm. Hello friend. Okay, now I tell you use a different nozzle. Different type, cutting different thickness metal. For example, we use LGK plasma source. Our plasma source. When you want to cut in 1 millimeter. Thickness metal, you use 1.1. Cutting this thickness, use this. And about this type have engraved on electric, for example. This is 1.3. When you want to cut in about 3 or 4 or 5 millimeter thickness metal, don't forget use 1.3. nozzle and electrical. When you want cutting more thick metal, please use more big nozzle and electrical. For example, 210, this is 2.1 type nozzle and electrical. Okay, don't forget to change the nozzle and electrical when you change different thickness metal cutting. And when you use Hemtherm, the Hemtherm nozzle and electrical always 45A, 65A, only like this. More thick, use more big nozzle and electric type. More thin metal, use small nozzle and electrical type.